Cheese. We have a special. I came at Kip's Market to try Ludhiana street food. So I'm trying it with my brother. Hi brother.
Hi.
Majid.
Good.
How are you? Fine?
Good.
So we are going to try street food?
Let's go.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Sir, spicy normal. Spicy.
So now I have cooked spiral potato. One is salted and one is sweet. So let's check what we have.
What is it? This one is spicy.
So here we have the spicy one, spice Bengal. And here the salty one, the normal. So let's try.
Tasty. Yummy. Yummy.
It's very spicy this one, you can't try it.
Okay. Yummy.
How is it?
Taste.
Not spicy?
Yes. Spicy. But
Good.
good. Good.
This one's salty, not spicy. They put coriander here. I don't know this one, cheese, mayonnaise, something they put on it. I don't know. Very tasty.
Good. Very tasty.
So let's try the other one.
Okay.
Nobody else by my side, and nobody else that you.
I'm going to try this different food from her. Now I'm going to try different types of food here. So let us check how's it. So do it first. Now we order here chole bhature, and here we have a special thali, and here we have dosa, another dosa, and there's bread also. So let's try it. Try it. Let's try. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. I see the bread. As hot. They give you here chili and potato, one onion. Let's try this one also. See the bread right now. Try one. This is called dal makhni. And here cheese. That's right.
Taste.
Let's try masala dosa.
Okay.
See inside is stuffed. They put potato. beans, spicy, and coriander, onion. You have to mix it here, this sauce. Right. It's very tasty. Good. They have two sauces. Coconut, and this one is spicy. Now we'll try this one, sweet. They give us. See the difference color. How many colors? Actually, for me, I don't like it much. It's not too much. It's half half. So let's go try. The food was delicious here. Everything was good except the sweet. The sweet was not much tasty, right? The food is very good, right?
Right.
Okay, so let us go.
Okay.
Nobody else, nobody else, and you. Nobody else, nobody else.
Now I am at Kumar Mandi. I'm coming to try paneer pakora. So let's check. How is it? This is what I came for, paneer pakora, specialty of Punjab. And this is called samosa chaat. It is bread stuffed. They fill it with potato and spices. And on the top of it, they put it with chickpea gravy. Then they put shredded carrot and beetroot. And this the yellow color on it is called save, sprinkled save. And this is paneer pakora. It is got like cheese. There is 2 pieces of cheese. They fill it inside it potato and spices. And they cover it with chickpeas, flour. Then they fry it. See the cheese? Let me test it with mint sauce. This is very tasty. Very tasty. See how the color. It's delicious here. It's a place they're making very good food and very tasty food. Delicious food. So you avoid the colors. Okay. It is less spicy, salty, and they put so much stuff here. See the stuff how much. What stuff they put? They put it to the stuff. That's good. Very good. After I finish my food, I have ordered fruit roll pastry. See the color? How can you sprinkle? The color. Air cream inside it. Let's try it. See the cream? How much they put? It's good. Not much as what I expected. But it's good also. The food was delicious here. Everything was very good, except the pastry also was little good. Okay, so let us try other things. Let's go.
Nobody else.
The ice cream here in Punjab is totally unique and different than other cities. This ice cream is here I have ordered strawberry with it. Very tasty. Second one is blackcurrant with chocolate. Let me finish, I'll come to you back. The ice cream was very tasty. I can give him 9 from 10. If you want to come to Ludhiana, don't forget to come to this place.
Nobody else.